Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to build a cold email analytics dashboard using SmartLead, Airtable, and Make.com in 5 minutes. The reason I'm recording this because you can't really do this, you can't really get the daily data from SmartLead's analytics, so you need to do this yourself, and it's fun. So we have 3 steps. Okay, the first is create the create the base and 2 tables using Airtable, and then we'll pull the data from SmartLead using Make.com, and then we'll create the visual dashboard using Airtable again. So we have this table. I already created it for you. All you need to do is just copy the base and use it yourself. So we have 2 tables right now. We need 2 tables for daily campaign stats and weekly campaign stats. So this is the data. So daily stats, you'll pull the data daily. So each row is 1 campaign in 1 day. I grouped this, but you don't have to. It will look like this. I know it's a nightmare, so let's group by date and 9 to 1. All right, so this is campaign 1, 2, and 3, and it's pretty straightforward. We'll pull 4 fields from SmartLead. You can pull more, but I didn't want to. The first one is total email sent, and the second one is new leads reached. This would be the unique lead count. This is the total replies you get. This is the bounced emails per campaign per day. So I didn't do these because didn't want to. It's so easy. It doesn't take much time. You can do this with automation as well using webhooks, but feel free to do it yourself. And we have 4 views here. Take a look at your data by month, all time, week to date, and this is for this automation. I'm going to show it to you in a second. It shows last week, and it's only for Monday, so it's the last 7 days data. If you check this on Thursday, you'll see the past 7 days, but I don't really use it unless it's Monday. So let's say you put all the data in Airtable. Okay, done. Daily campaigns, and now you want weekly stats. Maybe you have clients, maybe you need to see yourself. Totally fine. That's why we have this. So each week, each row is a week. Okay, this is the date. It's a month. Like these are all Mondays, and these are the week ranges. This is the previous week. So this is the last Monday, and this is previous week. So this is a test data, but summation of email sent, new leads reached, blah blah, and you have to do this manually again. I do this each Sunday on Monday mornings. I check SmartLead and put positive replies, calls booked, or you can just make someone do it. And then this will make it for you and put it here. And then when you have the data here, it looks so much better, and you can make a decision based on the data, right? Or you can check SmartLead, or you can just send these stats each week to your client automatically, right? Why not? And to do this, you need to trigger this. So each Monday at 12 p.m. EST, this is my time. You can do this on Sundays, Tuesdays, whatever. We'll run this, okay? But this is a custom JavaScript code. You don't need to know what it means, but it does the job. Here you can find all of them. When you copy the base, you'll receive these 2 and automation as well, and the visual dashboard, which I'm going to show it to you. All right. So each day, I do this at 6 a.m. each day. I'll pull yesterday's data. I'll show you how, and like I told you, this is each Monday at 12 p.m. Then you need to pull data from SmartLead, right? And we'll use Make.com. So we need 2 API calls. This is this link. This is a link. This is SmartLead's API reference. You can just look at each one and use whatever you like, but we only need 2 for this example. 1, list all campaigns. So we're gonna list all the campaigns first, and then we'll loop them one by one. Okay. Second, is the fetch campaign statistics. So we'll, using campaign ID field, we'll find the campaign and we'll filter based on the date range, which would be yesterday. Okay. Then we'll pull these stats. So okay, make.com. It should look like this. So the first one is this. You can see it here. This is your API. I blacked this out because it's sensitive information. You can find your API key inside SmartLead and don't share it with anyone. Just put it here. Leave these the same. And this is the loop function iterator. Okay, loops all the campaigns. Let's say you have 400 campaigns. You have 10 clients, or 400 campaigns. You can do this one by one, right? When you loop these data is all campaigns, right? I'm not gonna click here because I put it here. So you need to put ID field from the loop function inside make, and then you need to put your API key again. So, and the start date is at days now -1, which would be yesterday. Start and end date are the same. So you only get 1 day. Okay. Leave these the same. You don't need to know what it is. Yeah. And if you have multiple client accounts in SmartLead, you need to filter for each client and put that data on a separate table, or just filter in the same table, whatever you like. Let's say you have 3 clients or 2 clients including you. Okay, you need to find client IDs inside. Like, so when you click this and see all campaigns, find one client's campaign and find client ID and filter it here. So let's say click here and put client ID and put the real number. It's something like 5921, like, for example. Okay, and do this, do the like same thing, do these, and then voila, you have a proper table with proper data. Okay, again, if it's just you, it should look like this. If you have more than 1 client or yourself, look like this, or more branches, right? Just copy this for Airtable module. So click here, copy this, and then finally we have this visual dashboard, right? So you don't need to do more than this. When you did all of this, click on interfaces, okay, and it's all done for you. I did this. You can filter these by date, week, month, whatever you need, and you can play with these, put more stuff, remove something, I don't know, just play with it. And you can just send this view link to your clients and they can check it for you. This is super cool. So when you stats for your clients and you put them in a visual dashboard, it's a game changer, trust me. Yeah, that's all for today. So if you need help to run cold email campaigns for you and get demo calls, if you have a killer offer and you need help, we can do this for you on performance basis. And we'll take 3 more clients this month before we raise our prices. So in the next year will be higher. So hit me up if you need help, and I'll see you on the next video.